Hello friends. Today I will share with you top 5 best solenoid valve reviews, so let's check it out. Product listed as price, review rating. At number 5. Water valve stainless steel AC 110V. Solenoid valve designed for water control, constructed from stainless steel. Available in various sizes. Operates with AC power sources including 110V and 220V, as well as DC options such as 12V and 24V. Ideal for applications requiring durability and corrosion resistance. Please note that the information can be changed at any time. At number 4. Electric solenoid valve stainless steel IP65. Normally closed electric solenoid valve designed for water applications. Constructed from stainless steel with an IP65 rating for moisture protection. Available in sizes 1/2 and 3/4. Compatible with 12V, 24V, and 230V. Suitable for high-temperature environments. At number 3. Electric solenoid valve motorized ball valve 2-wire. Electric solenoid valve equipped with a motorized ball valve mechanism. Features power-off reset and high torque 8 Nm operation. Compatible with various power sources including 220V, 110V, 24V, and 12V. Offering versatility for different applications. Please consider to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get more videos. At number 2. Motorized ball valve brass 2-wire 220V. Motorized ball valve featuring brass construction. Designed for electric operation with a 2-wire setup. Offers options for AC/DC power including 220V, 12V, and 24V. Suitable for replacing solenoid valves in applications requiring normally closed/open functionality. At number 1. Electric ball valve brass AC 220V 3-way. Electric ball valve suitable for air conditioning and floor heating systems. Made of durable brass, available in various sizes including 1/2, 3/4, 1, 1 1/4, 1 1/2, and 2. Primarily functions as a solenoid valve in 3-way configurations.